Hello, this is Tommy from Tommy Gami, the YouTube channel that's dedicated to making weird, fun, wacky stuff out of cardboard. I just finished my last project, which was this cardboard alligator Valentine's Day box. And it's kind of cool because you can open it up and insert the Valentines in there. It's really easy to assemble. I made it in a way so that it just has 6 pieces and it comes together, doesn't require any glue, doesn't require any tape, and you can usually do it in about 7 minutes or less. Then your kids can paint it in any way that they want to. They can do the pink and white and red, like Valentine's. They can do traditional green, whatever. So for the month of January, I'll be putting together the cutting die, and we'll be mass producing these and having them ready to go out the first week of February, just in time for Valentine's Day. So I'm excited about this, and I'm excited to do more projects after this, so please support me. Order one of these and share it with your friends and family so they can order some too. Thanks.